Mama Mary here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start cooking. In a small pot, fill it with water, 2/3 full. Place a soup ladle into the small pot and let it boil. Add a pinch of salt while it's boiling. Then, take out the ladle with the small water. Place the egg. Dip the bottom of the ladle into the boiling water and do this for at least 30 seconds. Slowly dip the ladle into the boiling water. Slowly submerge the ladle with egg into the boiling water and let it stay for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Remember, 1 minute and 30 seconds only. Remove the ladle with egg. And here's our perfectly shaped poached egg and perfectly cooked in 2 minutes. Now let us prepare our avocado toast with poached egg. Okay, remove the avocados and we will mash the avocados, and it's up as per your desired texture. Generously scoop mashed avocado and spread it to our toasted bread. Add some sliced meat, thinly sliced meat. It depends what sliced meat you want. And of course, let us top our perfectly cooked poached egg. Here's our perfectly cooked poached egg. Now let us drizzle some sauce. I used Hollandaise sauce for our avocado toast with egg. Now let us check how perfect our poached egg is. Look at this. It's perfectly cooked, right? It's so quick, right? Try it yourself. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.